Hey guys, if you want to use your Wix domain for Google Workspace, here's exactly how to connect them step by step. So log into your Wix account and then you go to the domains and manage domains. So let me show you how. You go to Wix. All right, in there you go to settings and then you type in the search domains, or you can just go here. There you go. And then you can also log into your Google Workspace admin account. Navigate to Setup, Domains, and then add/verify domain. And then choose to verify your domain via TXT record. In Wix, you go to Advanced DNS Settings, add a TXT record with the exact value provided by Google Workspace. This proves you own the domain. So, for example, if I choose my own, this is just a different service. I'll just use this as an example. In here, I go to settings of my domain, I go to change DNS records, and in here they are. Save the record. It may take a few minutes to propagate. Then once verification is complete, you can go back to Wix DNS settings and add Google Workspace Amex records exactly as provided. Also, delete any old Amex records to avoid conflicts. So Amex records look like this. There they are. Amex. After saving DNS changes, it may take up to 24 hours to fully propagate. Once done, send a test email to confirm your Google Workspace email works with your Wix domain. So verify your domain, add the Amex records in Wix, and your email will be ready to use. Thanks for watching this one. If this helped, like and subscribe.